I said, my name is Jan Karel, and that's my first name, Jan Karel. And I am the owner of Brovisuals. And Brovisuals is a full-service design web agency, especially focused on non-profits and social enterprises. That's a target group, so we deliver a lot of online solutions for help agency, for organizations that are helping other people. So really cool tools that saves us tons of time to create the videos and also to deliver them to the customer. And the customer is really able to search on content very easily, not only by seeing the chapters in the videos, but also searching to the transcript. So these are really time savers for us. Well, we are using video platforms mainly for our support tutorials. So we are recording video tutorials explaining how our platforms work, because we make custom, our websites are always custom made based on WordPress. And we deliver in the dashboard video tutorials explaining how custom entities or specific functionality works. So the problem was before storage, video storage. We used some other platform that had limitation on storage, and also had like limitations on transcripts, etc. And was also like branding was a kind of an issue. So and also editing the video, had to spend some more time to really get a good tutorial or record a good tutorial for this specific platform. So, and Dadan solves this with an all-in-one solution, actually, to have like a great editor where we can edit the video online, even while recording. You can pause it and then continue with the recording, and also using the AI technology, generate the transcripts in Dutch, which all of our videos are recorded in. It generates chapters for the videos, it generates description for the videos, and by having those video tutorials, it saves us also quite a lot of support time by having the customer call us and asking, how does this work? How does that work? And then we refer to the video tutorial, and they just watch it and then they understand how things work. So that's the overall solution of time saving for us. We get a notification if somebody watches the video, so we always can see if the people, if the user did watch the tutorial or not. And if they didn't, well, then we can tactfully say, well, did you watch the video? Oh, no, well, you should. And then it explains everything. So also because of we get the notifications, we can anticipate with that, with communication, and then point towards watching a Dadan video I think the editor, we don't use the native editor. We only use the editor in the browser. That's the most easiest because we have multiple people recording, so it's so the centralized we have centralized focus on recording, but the one feature, I think there are multiple features that we really like. The branding, it's also important for us. But I think yeah, I think the editor, the AI features, those are really important. Of course, we do have some wishes, but I think those are the main features that we really, and the user friendliness, of course. That's yeah. Oh, it's affordable. It's intuitive. A lot of options, like all-in-one solution. I'll definitely recommend the Dadan if somebody comes to me and is looking for a video platform. Yeah, and it's cheaper than YouTube or video or Vimeo, so that's also an important